Alrighty, good morning, class. I'm going to go over your Apple Watch walkthrough and tutorial for you. I know most of you have received one for my physical education class. So we're going to go through the first section of the tutorial, and I'm going to walk you through the rings that are on your Apple Watch. There are basically three rings. They're going to record your movement, exercise, and your standing goals. So you need to close each of these at least every day during our physical education class. So I'm going to walk you through the first one, which is going to be your move ring, and it's a pink ring, and it's going to also track your calories burned. So this is important when we're doing our activity sessions during PE. So that's the first ring, and it's also going to give you your calories per hour that are going to be burned. So whether it's in sprints or warm-ups, during activity time, during volleyball, basketball, whatever sport we're doing. So that's basically what that ring would show you. And on the watch itself, you can also change your daily move goal. So you basically open the activity app, firmly press the display, tap change move goal, and then tap plus or minus to update your goal. And the next ring is going to be your exercise ring. So it is a recommended 30 minutes of activity a day for an adult. So I expect you guys to do at least 30 minutes of activity during our PE classroom. So here is the exercise portion of the watch itself. And it also has different applications of the watch, as you already know, but we're just going to stick with the activity rings. So the next one is the stand ring. So majority of the time in our class, we are going to be standing, maybe a few 5 minutes or so of instruction, and it might remind you to stand, but I expect you guys to easily achieve this stand goal for at least 1 minute, and even outside of physical education, you guys can reach this goal. So I expect that as well. So, and there's also monthly challenges on your Apple Watch, so you can monitor your progress and how many rings you've closed on your watch. So you'll see here that these are the days of the week, and it will show you what you've closed and what your achievements were throughout the month. So that's pretty neat. It'll be important to log those into your journals as well. So that's a neat aspect of the watch. And there is also a what's called roll-on for the activity rings. It also monitors your activity on a wheelchair or another device that you use. So that's pretty much it. And thank you, students, for listening, and have a great day. Thank you.